Hello glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. Do you want to know how to fix your lashes in the quickest, simplest way ever? Then stay with me. Let's go. So these are just random lashes from a beauty store that I got from a beauty store. Let's fix them together. So we are dealing with the left eye right here. So I like to fold my lashes so that they could coil out, then cut out the edges in the inner part and also at the outer part. Then I go ahead to measure it to see that it is my perfect fit for the eye that I want to apply it to. So then you apply your glue, let it become tacky before you fix your lashes. So I'm fixing my lashes right here after applying the glue and letting it become a little bit tacky. I've actually always really struggled with fixing lashes and I'm not still perfect yet, so you might still see some lapses. It's okay, I'm growing, I will outgrow it. And I already got this mascara shield or lash body, and I'll be showing you a brief tutorial on how to use it, and I'll also be using it to practice myself. So stay tuned. Turn on your notification bell, of course, so you can see it when I upload a video on how to use the lash body or the mascara shield. So just pressing it together right here so that it can merge with my natural lashes, because I have very coily lashes. It makes it kind of difficult for me to fix lashes really, so don't blame me. Just catch the glimpse of information I'm trying to give you here. It's not so hard if you apply your glue on first, and don't apply too much. I apply too much, so if you apply just little with an applicator, as if you are applying a liner, it will be more easier for you to fix on your lashes that way. So I'm just slightly coating it with a gel liner to just all those places where I applied extra glue, to just clean it up and refine it. Then I'm going back, pressing it again to make sure that it holds firmly and it merges with my natural lashes. Oh god, it's a lot, guys. It's a process, but yeah, the outcome is always very beautiful. Lashes just lift your look. It's just, I don't know, it just adds this extra dimension to your look and it brings it out very, very amazingly. So this is the final outcome doing the both lashes. So make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like this video, send in your nice comments, share this video to your family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye.